I'm so sorry, this may sound like pride. I hope they will not cut it again and post it. I don't walk with my mates. I walk with the picture of my future. As I stand before you now, some of you know that I sell food. Amala, pounded yam, sea okra. I have a salon for nail, male and female. For hair, I sell fabrics. FFA casuals, I have a gym. I have a children's play area. I have a mini hotel, 28 rooms. I have halls. I'm a certified coach. I'm not only a preacher. I have my certificate. I coach. I have a matrix